Did you know that chameleons don't change color just to blend into their surroundings? Lizard. That's one of the biggest myths about these fascinating reptiles. While camouflage can be one reason, chameleons actually change color for many other purposes. Their colors can reveal their mood, body temperature, and even send messages to other chameleons. For example, a bright and colorful chameleon may be showing confidence, excitement, or trying to attract a mate. Darker colors can indicate stress, fear, or a need to absorb more heat from the sun. Scientists have discovered that chameleons change color using special cells in their skin called iridophores. These cells reflect light differently, allowing the animal to display a wide range of colors in just seconds. In a way, a chameleon's skin acts like a living mood ring. So the next time you see a chameleon changing colors, remember, it might not be hiding at all. It could be communicating, reacting to the weather, or expressing how it feels. Nature has created few creatures as colorful and mysterious as the chameleon. Rainbow sparkles. Did you know that polar bears actually have black skin? Polar bear. It sounds surprising because they look completely white, but beneath all that fur, a polar bear's skin is actually black. So why do they appear white? The secret is in their fur. Polar bear hairs are not truly white, they're transparent and hollow. Instead of having color, they reflect and scatter sunlight, making the bear look bright white against the snowy Arctic landscape. This unique fur helps them blend into their environment while also trapping heat to keep them warm in freezing temperatures. And the black skin underneath plays an important role too. Dark colors absorb more sunlight, helping polar bears capture and retain as much heat as possible in the icy Arctic. Together, their transparent fur and black skin create the perfect combination for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. So the next time you see a polar bear, remember, that fluffy white giant is actually hiding black skin beneath a coat of transparent fur. Nature's design can be far more amazing than it first appears. Snowflake sparkles. Did you know that bees can recognize human faces? Honeybee. It may sound impossible because a bee's brain is tiny, about the size of a sesame seed. But despite their small brains, bees have some surprisingly impressive memory skills. Scientists discovered that bees can learn to identify and remember different human faces by recognizing patterns. They don't see faces exactly the way humans do, but they can remember combinations of shapes, lines, and features. In experiments, bees were trained to associate certain faces with rewards. After a while, they could correctly recognize the same faces and distinguish them from others. That's pretty amazing for an insect with such a small brain. This ability helps bees navigate their environment, locate flowers, and remember important places. Their brains may be tiny, but they are highly efficient at processing visual information. So the next time you see a bee buzzing nearby, remember, it might be smarter than it looks. These hard-working insects prove that intelligence isn't always about the size of the brain. Sometimes, even the smallest creatures can do extraordinary things. Blossom sparkles. Did you know that the giant squid has the largest eyes in the entire animal kingdom? Squid. These incredible eyes can grow up to 27 centimeters, or about 11 inches, across, roughly the size of a basketball. But why would a creature need eyes that big? The giant squid lives deep in the ocean, where sunlight barely reaches. In this dark environment, having enormous eyes helps it capture even the tiniest amounts of light. Its giant eyes can detect faint movements and shadows from far away, helping the squid spot predators and prey in the deep sea. Scientists believe these massive eyes are especially useful for detecting large animals like sperm whales, which are one of the giant squid's main predators. Imagine trying to survive in near total darkness. Those huge eyes act like powerful natural cameras, giving the squid a major advantage in the mysterious depths of the ocean. Even today, giant squids remain one of the most fascinating and elusive creatures on Earth. With eyes as big as basketballs and a life hidden in the deep sea, they are truly one of nature's most extraordinary animals. Wave sparkles.